Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of coconut milk. This creamy, delicious ingredient is not only a staple in many cuisines, but also a fantastic way to add richness to your dishes. So grab your coconuts and let's get started. First things first, you'll need 2 medium-sized coconuts. When selecting your coconuts, give them a gentle shake. If you hear sloshing, that's a good sign. It means they're fresh and full of water. Once you've got your coconuts, let's crack them open. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. You can use a hammer or a sturdy knife to carefully break the shell. Just be sure to do this over a bowl to catch any coconut water that spills out. Trust me, you'll want to save that liquid gold. Now that you have your coconuts open, it's time to extract the meat. Use a spoon to scoop out the white flesh from the shell. If you find it a bit stubborn, you can use a knife to help pry it out. Once you have all the meat, chop it into smaller pieces. This will help with blending later on. Next, we'll combine the coconut meat with water. For this recipe, you'll need about 500 milliliters of water. The ratio of coconut to water can vary depending on how rich you want your milk to be. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can use less water, but for a lighter version, stick to the full amount. Now, let's blend. Place the chopped coconut meat into your blender and pour in the water. Blend on high for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well combined and you have a smooth mixture. The aroma will be absolutely heavenly. Once blended, it's time to strain the mixture. Grab a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Pour the blended coconut mixture into the strainer, allowing the liquid to flow through while separating the coconut pulp. Use a spatula or your hands to press down on the pulp to extract as much milk as possible. This is where the magic happens. And there you had it, your homemade coconut milk. You can use it right away in smoothies, curries, or desserts, or store it in the fridge for up to a week. Just remember to give it a good shake before using, as it may separate over time. Process of making coconut milk from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking and see you next time. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this simple and rewarding recipes.